Bakit? Okay, magpapandrop daw kami guys. Sinong sasama dyan? Kaway-kaway. Stranded ang mga pasahero guys. Oh, kasi late ang train. Ayun, kaya daming pasahero. Okay, let's go Pandorp guys. Pandorp daw, Pandorp. So, start na ng shopping ang mga Inday. Here we are in Pandorp. Ihi mo na ako. So, nakapag-shopping na sa guest guys. Oh my God, ang mga shoppingera. Shopping pa more. Basta, makapag, Pandorp. Ayan, shopping pa more. Nukmal, nukmal.
Gamitin mo ngayon. Pasto.
Ayan, dyan, Hotel Deben, Hotel Park Inn. So, mamili ka na lang dyan kung saan ka mag-stay. So, hindi rin natin alam kung mayroon pang trip. Yung, ito? Hindi, ito naglalayag to. Naglalayag to. Ngayon, dito sila, ilang oras yan sila dito. Tapos, ewan ko saan na naman sunod nila na stop. Tapos, dadaan yan.
Ganda yung nila, kasi mayroon din silang sala.
Ay, so, let's go to. Okay, let's go. Ang mahirap lang dito, kung punta dito mag-out. So here we are going to do now. So like this. So we're going back to our hotel. This way, madam. Going back to our hotel. Oh, dito yan. Kasi ito pa, iba kasi tingin na ngayon dahil nung pumunta ko dito, kalbo itong mga kahoy.
Ayan na daw.
Oo nga, ito na nga yun. Kasi dito ang daanan noon pag nagbarko, pwede rin dito. Iba kasi yung noon, nung look noon kasi dito na yung hotel natin, Day. Sa Carlton. Dito. Oh. So, roaming around here, guys. Okay.
Hindi sabi ko. Makes me feel very
Das ist Slovenian Edible ay ambot.
Diyan kayong dalawa at kukunin ko kayo ng picture.
So, we are here now. Hindi ba tayo galing dito kanina? Hindi ba to kanina dito?
Hindi, iba to.
So guys, nahanap namin yung man at work. So, Indiana, we found him. So let's go to roaming around. Here. Oh, ito naman yung gumagalaw. Gagalaw yan. Say. Here yan. Gagalaw yan siya dyan.
Good eat to remember because this is basically the entrance to the historical center. Alright? So one will see
So, tayong tatlong hihipo. Okay? 1, 2, sila mo din. Okay. Let's go. 1, 2, okay. 1, 2. Hipo tayo. 1, 2. So, gaya-gaya kami kasi humihipo sila sa ulo. So then we're gonna go also. Okay, touch your head.
Yeah, okay.
Ikaw, ayaw mo humipo.
Okay. Marami kumukuha ng picture eh.
Okay.
Look here, look. Look here, come. One more. Yeah, danke.
Ay! So, okay, we are now ice cream time. Oh, yummy, yummy. Dumadayo dito sa Bratislava. Kakain lang ng ice cream. Ang taga Germany. Munta dito, kakain lang ice cream.
Kakain lang na ice cream.
Cheers! Cheers! So guys, to ice cream muna. Ice cream time.
Ang sarap, hindi siya matamis.
Sarap. We have ice cream time. So let's go roaming. Para
Picture mo muna, Beth. Para may record. Here. Okay, nakaon yan.
naka-video.
Okay, this
Video
is
na lang.
dragon and
Dragon fruit
pistachio.
on cheesecake. Masarap ng cheesecake.
Lavender. Pwede ba tayong umupo ng isang saglit?
Umupo ka. On. yummy food. Oh, this is the food of La Babylon restaurant. Go. Here is my Lulu. Okay, let's go, guys. Follow the leader. Follow the tour guide. Okay. So let's go. So, ang daming tao ngayon, guys. Not like last time na dito kami, hindi masyado. Ngayon, matao ngayon. So, we'll see. Balik tayo na tatlo. Hey. Ha? Yan. Ganda dyan. Ayan. Ayan, pag nainitan ka. Oh. So, guys, we are here currently in the city, looking around here. Here's a restaurant, and then here. Okay, let's see. Biking Kidlands Joy, okay. Let's go. Ang daming turista, madaming tao. So guys, nakailang balik na ako dito. Pero hindi ko matandaan masyado. Kasi lagi ko na nakakalimutan. So, we'll see. So, ito yung mga food selection, guys. Tingnan na lang yung picture kasi medyo mahirap pagbigkas yung mga nakasulat kung mag-order. So, sa picture na lang ito toro dahil medyo ibang salita na naman dito at mahirap. So this is the starter, soup, poultry, beef, fish, salad, dessert. Yung mga food choices ng Bratislava. Ang ganda ng bulaklak dito, guys. Takto, petek, pilos. Okay, tama na ay.
Tama na.
So let's go roaming around in the city. Thank you.
Tumalikod na siya.
Tumalikod na, ayaw na. So we gonna go roaming around here. So we're roaming around here. Hahanapin namin yung lalaking nagtatago sa ano.
Hanapin namin yung nagtatagong ito katago sa amin.
Oo, yung tinataguan kami, men at work. Nandito lang yun. Hindi, ibang simbahan din yung pinuntahan namin noon eh. Hindi ito eh. Kasi, wala man yung ganyan. Oh. So, hi! Hello people! Shout out everyone!
1 million.
1 million shout out! Dito naka-live. So guys, we are now in Bratislava. So spontan. So, Madam is buying magnet from Bratislava. So, Madam and Sonia is coming. So, here we are now in Bratislava. Oh, kung saan-saan na naman kami napadpad. Wala na si Google. Nawawala na rin si Ini. So, nandito na kami sa Prince Hope guys, galing Bratislava. Oh, Bratislava is struggle. A lot of adventure. Small city, but it's memorable. Yeah. Diba? So, we are currently in Bahnhof. So,